Have you ever pondered about the evolution of the car service industry? Our journey begins in the late 19th century with the advent of the automobile. This period was marked by uncertainty and excitement, as these new mechanical marvels began to dot our city streets. Yet, as the popularity of cars grew, so did the need for maintenance and repair services, giving birth to the car service industry. One cannot discuss this industry's early days without mentioning the Ford Motor Company. The introduction of the Model T by Henry Ford, an affordable car for the average American, ignited a surge in automobile ownership. As more people began to drive, the need for service stations skyrocketed. From the small local garages to the rise of larger service centers, this industry faced its share of challenges, including the scarcity of skilled mechanics and the necessity for standardized practices. From its humble beginnings, the car service industry has grown into a multi-billion-dollar industry. As the wheels of time turned, so did the gears in the car service industry. The relentless march of technological progress has brought with it an array of advancements that have reshaped the landscape of this industry. Journey back to the 1980s, an era that witnessed the introduction of computer diagnostics in the car service industry. This was a game-changer, providing mechanics with a more precise, efficient, and consistent method of identifying vehicle issues. No longer reliant on guesswork and manual inspections, the industry was able to offer a more reliable and comprehensive service. The technological revolution didn't stop there. As we moved into the 1990s and early 2000s, the rise of the internet and e-commerce brought another wave of change. Service providers were now able to reach a broader audience, breaking the geographical boundaries that once limited their customer base. Online booking systems, customer reviews, and digital marketing strategies became the norm, providing a more convenient and transparent service for customers. But perhaps the most transformative change came in the 2010s, with the advent of mobile apps and on-demand services. Just think about it. With a few taps on a screen, customers could now summon a mechanic to their location, book a service appointment, or even monitor the repair process in real time. This has not only increased convenience but also fostered a greater sense of trust and transparency between service providers and their customers. Yet, these advancements are not without their challenges. With the rise of technology, the industry has had to grapple with issues such as data security, privacy concerns, and the need for ongoing training and adaptation. But despite these hurdles, the industry has continued to evolve and adapt, always striving to provide the best possible service to its customers. In conclusion, technology has not only changed the way vehicles are serviced, but also how service providers interact with their customers. It's been a journey of constant evolution, marked by innovation and adaptation, and as we'll see in the next scene, this journey is far from over. Just when we thought technology had revolutionized the car service industry enough, along came artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term that's been buzzing around for a while now. But what exactly is it? Simply put, it's the simulation of human intelligence processes by computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. But how does this apply to the car service industry? Well, a prime example is the use of AI-powered chatbots for customer service. These virtual assistants can answer queries, book appointments, and even provide vehicle diagnostics 24/7. They're always on, always ready, and they're getting smarter by the day. With their ability to handle multiple requests simultaneously, they're enhancing customer experience like never before. Then, we have machine learning algorithms for predictive maintenance. These smart systems learn from historical data to predict potential issues before they even occur. Imagine your car alerting you about a looming engine trouble before it happens. That's what predictive maintenance is all about. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, saving time, money, and potentially lives. And let's not forget about automated systems for inventory management. These systems are capable of tracking parts and supplies, optimizing stock levels, and even predicting future demand. They eliminate human error, increase efficiency, and ensure that the right part is always available at the right time. AI is also making its way into autonomous vehicles, paving the way for a future where cars can drive themselves. But that's a story for another day. Artificial intelligence is transforming the car service industry at a pace that's frankly hard to keep up with. But it's not just about keeping up, it's about embracing the change, harnessing the power of AI, and taking the industry to new heights. AI is not just a fad, it's here to stay, and it's redefining the future of the car service industry. So what does the future hold for the car service industry? As we gaze into our crystal ball, a few key trends emerge that promise to shape the landscape of car service in the years to come. First off, we have the rise of autonomous vehicles. As cars become more self-sufficient, the nature of servicing them is bound to change dramatically. Instead of fixing mechanical faults, technicians will increasingly need to address software issues. They'll be more like IT professionals, troubleshooting glitches and applying patches, rather than grease monkeys with wrenches in their hands. This shift will require a complete overhaul of the current skill set within the industry. Next, let's talk about blockchain technology. Known primarily for its role in cryptocurrencies, blockchain has a host of other potential applications, including in the car service industry. Imagine being able to track every part in a vehicle from manufacture to installation. This would increase transparency, reduce fraud, and ensure that only the highest quality parts are used. Now brace yourself for the big one: the potential impact of quantum computing. While still in its infancy, quantum computing promises to revolutionize many industries, including car service. With its ability to process vast amounts of data at unparalleled speeds, quantum computing could make diagnostics and repairs quicker and more accurate. Picture a world where a car's problem is diagnosed and fixed within minutes, not hours or days. Of course, these are just predictions. The only certainty is that the car service industry will continue to evolve as technology progresses, just as it has throughout its history. Technicians of the future will need to be flexible, adaptable, and always ready to learn new skills. The car service industry has come a long way, and yet the journey is far from over. As we move forward, it's exciting to contemplate what lies ahead. From autonomous vehicles to blockchain technology and quantum computing, the future of car service promises to be as thrilling as its past.